Romania is a country in southern Europe, between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean. It is bordered by Bulgaria to the east, Ukraine to the north, Hungary to the west, and Moldova to the south. It has a population of about 19 million people and its capital city is Bucharest. When you think of Romania, you probably think of Dracula. But if you scratch the surface a bit, you'll find a lot more to visit than the stereotypical castles, spooky forests, and cobblestone roads. You'll find world-class museums, and beautiful historical sites, and lively cities where you can enjoy the local culture without having to travel too far. Romania is a country with a rich history and culture. It has been through many wars and revolutions, and has always tried to keep its traditional traditions. Today, Romania is considered one of the best places in Europe to visit. It has some of the most beautiful architecture, and the ancient history of any country, and many of the most popular tourist attractions. Romania has many different landscapes and experiences to offer. The country is a beautiful place to visit. It has many beautiful cities. In Romania, you can visit Bran Castle, the Black Sea, the Carpathian Mountains, the Bran Gorge, the Danube River, the Delacroix Museum, the Dracula's Castle, the Herăstrău Monastery, the Iron Gate Bridge, the Mausoleum of Titu Maiorescu, the Opera House, the Sibinita Salt Mine, the Taina Fortress, the University of Medicine and Pharmacy.